Alright, just a quick little video for you guys. As you see, there's a really yellow blister. Looks terrible. And I'm going to show you guys how to take the yellows out of the blisters. So there's clear, there's yellow. So what I use is a plastic restoration for my lights colors. Some of you might know this product, some of you might not. That's what I use. Okay. And I use a really soft chamois. Really soft chamois. Okay. And I'll shake this up. Just put a dab on there. And then I'll just use my finger just to kind of massage it around. Kind of get it all in the areas. When you're doing this, you want to make sure there's no breaks, because if you get it in the crack, it's going to be on the inside of the blister. You're going to have a hell of a time getting it out. So if there is little cracks, you just put a piece of masking tape over it while you clean it. A piece of masking tape, and then you can carefully hand do that area afterwards with a Q-tip or whatever you want to do. So I just go around and massage it in with my finger. Maybe you got that really nice car that you're sad to see that it got in the yellow BP. And this is not going to take like 100% of it out, but it's going to take a lot of it out. You can see it's changing colors already, this cream. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe it off with a rag here.
Brother.
Okay. Wipe off all this excess. Happy polishing, boys.